Hey, you guys. I hope everyone had a really great weekend. I hope you got to go to the homecoming game here at JSU. So what I want to do really quickly is tell you how to upload your book blog to Blackboard if you haven't done that already, or if you're having some trouble with that. I've gotten a few emails and phone calls, so just wanted to make a quick video. I hope these videos are helping you, or they may be getting on your nerves. Either way, here we go. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to log into your Blackboard and come over here to course content and click on course content. Click again. All right, here we go. So come on down to assignments, and right here it says, this is where you will submit the following assignments in your online book blog. So click on assignments, and then click on online book blog. Okay. The reason it says that the due date is Monday, December 3rd is because that is when your comments are due for your book blog. You're going to comment on other classmates' book blog, and that's when all the comments are due. So the total, the final project is due December 3rd. Now, the different genres, those have different due dates throughout the semester. So your first due date is tonight at 11:59 p.m. and you have 2 picture books that are due tonight at 11:59 p.m. Okay. So once you get to this section, you're going to click on Write Submission. All right, and this text box is going to open up. Now, you should already have your book blog opened up, and this is mine. All you're going to do is come up here in your browser, and you're going to copy your link. You're going to go back to Blackboard, and in this text box, you are going to paste your link, okay? Now, I need you to hyperlink your link. I know that sounds confusing, but it's super simple, okay? What you do is highlight this. Up here in all of these buttons, you need to find this one right here. And it says Insert Edit Link. Kind of looks like a chain link fence. That's how I remember it. You're going to link it. Looks like a chain link. So you're going to click on that. This box is going to pop up. Okay? And it says Link Path. All you're going to do is paste that in here. Let me move this so y'all can see. And then you click Insert. Now it has been hyperlinked. And I know this because it changed colors. And then you're going to come on down. Y'all can't see that because my picture is in the way. And you're going to click Submit. Okay. Now, mine says submission is not saved because I'm on, the teacher side of Blackboard, but y'all should get, that submission went through or whatever message that is, okay? And then that's all you have to do. And then I will receive it on my side. And when I click on that link, it's going to take me straight to your book blog online. You only have to do this one time, okay? Once you have submitted your book blog online today or tonight, whichever you choose, that will be it. Because your book blog, I will have access to your book blog, and then you just keep adding to your blog for the rest of the genres of books, okay? So if you still need help, please just reach out to me. You can call me, email me, you can come by my office. If you still need help, in class tonight, we can definitely look at it. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you later this afternoon. Bye.